Are you ready to revolutionize your health in just minutes a day? The simple, yet powerful practice of elevating your legs against a wall daily can unlock a multitude of health benefits. From improved circulation to reduced stress. Don't wait another day to give your body the relief and rejuvenation it deserves. Start today and elevate your wellness journey. Just find a wall and take a moment to lift your legs. Your body will thank you. While you're relaxing in bed, take just 15 minutes to elevate your legs against the wall. This simple exercise can lead to numerous health benefits and enhance your overall well-being. For optimal relaxation and health benefits, it's best to perform the legs up against the wall exercise just before going to sleep, helping you unwind and improve your sleep quality. The legs up against the wall exercise, also known as Viparita Karani, is a restorative yoga pose that's simple yet effective. Here's the best way to do it. Find a comfortable space. You might want a yoga mat, blanket, or towel on the floor for extra comfort. Gently lie back onto the floor or mat and swing your legs up against the wall. Your body should form an L shape, with your back flat on the floor and your legs extended vertically up the wall. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Hold the pose. Stay in this position for 5 to 15 minutes. Frequency. Doing this exercise daily, especially before bedtime, can maximize its benefits, including decreased anxiety and lower body inflammation, improved circulation, and relief from symptoms of varicose veins. This exercise is a gentle way to wind down your day and prepare for a restful sleep. Discover the transformative health benefits of the legs up against the wall exercise, a simple practice that boosts circulation, eases stress, and enhances sleep quality, all contributing to a healthier, more balanced you. Viparita Karani, or the legs up the wall pose, offers several significant health benefits, including improved circulation. Elevating your legs above your heart promotes venous drainage and increases circulation, which can help reduce swelling and fatigue in the legs and feet. Reduced stress and anxiety. This pose is inherently calming and can help lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and promote a peaceful state of mind, especially when practiced with deep breathing. Enhanced sleep quality. By calming the nervous system, Viparita Karani can improve sleep quality, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Relief from lower back pain. The pose gently stretches the hamstrings and relieves tension in the lower back, which can alleviate discomfort in these areas. Reduce symptoms of mild depression and menstrual cramps. The relaxing effect of this pose can alleviate symptoms of mild depression and soothe menstrual cramps. Eases headache and boosts energy. By improving circulation and reducing stress, this pose can also help relieve headaches and refresh your energy levels. Regular practice of Viparita Karani can contribute significantly to overall well-being, making it a worthwhile addition to any daily routine. So why not take a few moments to flip your perspective and elevate your legs? This simple, soothing exercise might just become your new favorite daily ritual for unwinding and rejuvenating. Embrace the calm, enjoy the health benefits, and remember, sometimes all you need is to put your feet up and let gravity do the work. Here's to feeling uplifted in body and spirit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips. And feel free to leave a comment below with your experiences or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you.